Welcome to my channel. In this video we'll look at the command cp conf auto. This command shows and controls which of Checkpoint products start automatically during boot. These products are Checkpoint Security Gateway, QoS, and Smart Event Suite. So if we look here, if we test cp conf auto, so we see here cpconf auto get fw1 is the security gateway, fg1 is the QoS engine, and rm is the smart event suite. This is very useful when you have a problem and you need to disable something at the boot process, so you can disable these from booting automatically. So we can try here again here all, for example, or get all. So we see here Checkpoint Security Gateway is not installed because this is a smart management server. QoS is not installed, not enabled. Smart Event Suite will start automatically at boot time. But we can check on the gateway the same command cp conf auto get all. So we see here that the Checkpoint Security Gateway will start automatically at boot time. QoS will start automatically at boot time. Smart Event Suite is not installed. So for example here we can disable QoS from being automatically start at the boot. So we test cp conf auto disable. For example, we take rm is not installed because it is already disabled, because this is a gateway and there is no smart event works on the management server. So we can take the fg1 and the QoS engine, successfully disabled QoS. So now we can check again with the get all, and we see that QoS will not start automatically at boot time. The same there, we can try cp conf auto here in the management server, disable rm. No, we have disable rm, and we see successfully disabled smart event. We can by it the same way enable it. So sometimes we need to use this command to disable these from being automatically started at the boot process, to be able to troubleshoot some problems. So that was for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.